This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has attended a side of the brainstorming session organised by Noor Dubai Foundation at Zabil Ladies Club in Dubai. During the session, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed listened to the ideas discussed about the global blindness prevention, treatment and education aimed to fight preventable blindness, as well as the Foundation's investments programs and its corporate identity. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed also participated in the discussion sessions covering Noor Dubai's 5-year strategy that will aid the Foundation in its pursuit to eliminate trachoma in the districts of Amhara region in Ethiopia. The Foundation has already embarked on a 3-year trachoma elimination program which aims to treat 18 million individuals living under poverty across the region. And the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has witnessed part of the annual Pink Caravan Ride, an initiative launched by the Friends of Cancer Patients. The caravan, which has so far attracted massive public attention, started from the Burj Khalifa at downtown Dubai and covered 18 kilometers to end at Burj Al Arab. The ride was attended by the chairman of the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Foundation, His Highness Sheikh Ahmed bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, while the daughters of the ruler of Dubai, Sheikha Salama and Sheikha Shamma, led the caravan. Pink Caravan's mobile clinic, equipped with qualified medical staff, is providing free medical scans for breast cancer. And according to the medical committee overseeing the campaign, over 475 patients were scanned on Sunday, totaling 3,971 patients over 7 days. The Emirates Endometriosis League and the Emirates Medical Association are currently organising an awareness campaign about endometriosis that will take place across the UAE between the 22nd and the 28th this month to coincide with the World Endometriosis Awareness Month. The campaign is taking place in both private and public hospitals all over the country. Doctors and nurses will be interacting with patients and educating them about the disease through highlighting the different symptoms and the importance of early diagnosis, treatment and prevention. In addition, the campaign is also targeting medical professionals who might, for lack of information, misdiagnose the chronic disease, which in many cases is linked to infertility and affects more than 100,000 women in the UAE. Some of the main symptoms of endometriosis, according to medical experts, are strong abdominal pain, physical emotional distress, pelvic and lower back pain, as well as excessive menstrual bleeding. Doctors have advised those suffering from the condition to follow a healthy lifestyle, which should include eating foods with high in antioxidants and avoiding refined foods to help address and alleviate the symptoms of endometriosis.
Endometriosis is a chronic disease that mainly affects female population in their early reproductive ages. We're talking about females from the age of 14 and until 52. And the main symptoms are infertility and pain. We also want to target the medical community, since even amongst doctors there is either insufficient awareness or even indifference towards the disease. We also are inaugurating our first symposium from the Emirates Endometriosis League on endometriosis on the 23rd, 24th of April, and it's going to be on the international level, having speakers coming to talk about endometriosis and having patients coming up and talking about their experience on the disease. And I think personally, as president of the Emirates Endometriosis League and as a consultant working with endometriosis at Latifa Hospital, where we have a center for endometriosis care, that this is a priority for both the general population, for the health authorities, and for the medical community to take this disease as seriously as possible. We have a website which is endometriosis, www.endometriosisuae.com, and there patients can go and ask the expert about their experience if they have any questions, and physicians also can get to see the guidelines that we have worked on from the Emirates Endometriosis League.
Dubai Expo 2020 has launched a nationwide design contest for its new logo, with the contest open to both UAE locals or residents. The winning design will become the official emblem from Expo 2020 Dubai, replacing the image that has represented the event since the UAE won the right to host the World Expo in 2020. Entrants are invited to create a design that reflects the main theme of the event, which is connecting minds, creating the future. The contest submission period runs until the 30th of April, with the winning design announced on October 20th this year, the start of the 5-year countdown to the opening of Expo 2020 Dubai. The eventual winner will receive 100,000 dirhams as well as a trip for 4 to 3 previous World Expo cities. In addition, the winner will receive a season pass for Expo 2020 Dubai, including an invitation to the official opening ceremony. The full details about the competition can be found at Dubai Expo's website at expo2020dubai.ae/logo competition. Increased economic activity in Dubai has contributed to the demand for access to water in the Emirate, which increased by 30% last year. Dubai Electricity and Water Authority (DEWA) stated that water connections rose to 30,300 in 2014 compared with 23,350 in 2013, with the increase in demand for water led by new developments and growth across all sectors of the national economy, including construction, economic, industrial and service projects. Dubai's economy is projected to grow by 4.5% this year and 4.6% in 2016. That's according to the IMF, with its non-oil sectors including trade and tourism driving expansion. DEWA's managing director and chief executive was quoted as saying that DEWA's installed capacity was 470 million gallons of desalinated water per day and that peak demand was 316 million gallons per day. DEWA expects demand for water to increase by 6% this year as more property is built and the population grows ahead of the Expo in 2020. The Roads and Transport Authority has confirmed that Dubai Tram services have been disrupted today, with regular services resuming on Wednesday the 25th. The disruption is due to a full-day system test that had been planned by the authority and affected the Jumeirah Beach residents and the Marina Loop services for the entire day, which also affected the operation times for the tram service. The disruption and system test, according to the RTA, was a necessary measure conducted in order to improve the Dubai tram services. And finally, in the bulletin, Dubai International, the world's #1 airport for international passenger traffic, has been named Airport of the Year at the Air Transport News Awards held in Geneva, Switzerland. Dubai International won the prestigious award based on votes from the readers of Air Transport News, as well as the deliberations of a jury comprising of 9 executives and experts from different sectors of the aviation industry. Commenting on the honour, Paul Griffiths, the CEO of Dubai Airports, who received the award at the ceremony, said, "Winning the award is particularly meaningful as it was decided by the passengers that used the airport," adding that it is a clear indication that the continued investment in creating an efficient and memorable passenger experience at Dubai International is delivering a service that ensures that it remains the global hub of choice for travellers from around the world.